Good morning, everyone. This is Carly Kovacic with the National Weather Service in Peachtree City. Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for March 3rd. Let's start off by taking a look at the current conditions across the southeast, valid around 10 a.m. this morning. The top left shows the cloud cover on satellite imagery. We can see cloud cover beginning to stream in from the west, mainly affecting North Georgia this morning, but we do expect cloud cover to continue to increase throughout the afternoon. Shown on the top right is the radar imagery. Showers are moving in a little ahead of schedule this morning. However, the atmosphere is very, very dry right now. So anything that is reaching the ground is going to be very light. We've also had some reports of some sleet mixing in with the rain across far northwest Georgia. We don't expect this to cause any impacts as temperatures are forecast to rise as we get into the afternoon hours. Something also to note that's pretty interesting on this radar image is the really heavy returns you see across northeast Alabama, those red colors. That's actually what we call bright banding, where the radar is actually picking up on some melting precipitation higher up in the atmosphere. This makes the returns seem heavier than they actually are. With that in mind, behind that, you can see some yellows extending from western Alabama into Mississippi. This is associated with some heavier rain that's going to be pushing into the area through the latter portion of today going into the overnight hours. Taking a glance at the temperatures, seeing some upper 30s across the far northwestern corner. The rest of North Georgia is in the middle 40s, and as we make our way down towards central Georgia, seeing temperatures in the low 50s. So, expect increasing rain chances from west to east across the state throughout the day today, beginning late this morning. We are expecting widespread rain by this afternoon, and that's going to continue overnight tonight into early Friday. The good news with all this is there is limited instability, meaning the chance for thunderstorms is low. However, there may be enough instability to squeeze out a couple rumbles of thunder. More isolated across North Georgia, the higher chances will be across central Georgia if you do hear anything. Nothing severe is expected with this, and some more good news about this, rainfall totals are expected to remain below 1 inch, so we're not expecting any flooding concerns. Now shown on the bottom, I've tried to show a little timeline of the simulated radar reflectivity throughout the day today. Now remember I said that the rainfall is a little ahead of schedule, so kind of adjust this in your mind how you want to, but basically by noon this afternoon, expecting the rain to affect mostly northwest Georgia, but by 4 p.m., the latter portion of this afternoon, expecting fairly widespread shower activity and some isolated thunder across most of North Georgia and approaching central Georgia. By tonight, around 8 p.m. or so, most of the heavier rain will have pulled out of North Georgia and will be mainly affecting the central portion of Georgia. With this, could see some embedded thunder with this and some heavier rainfall within the heavier showers, but again, not expecting anything severe or widespread. This will continue to push southeast across the night tonight and should clear the area by early tomorrow. The left-hand image shows the total rainfall expected with this system, ending early Friday. So you can see, for the most part, this system is not going to be a heavy rainmaker. Got just under half an inch across most of North Georgia, with the heaviest totals coming in across central Georgia, mainly south of Columbus, where totals are approaching 0.9 inches to maybe just under an inch. So again, not expecting any flooding with this system. Now, taking a glance over at the right-hand image, some of you may have heard about the potential for a rain-snow mix across the higher elevations in North Georgia. It is possible that a few snowflakes may mix in with some lighter rain showers on the backside of this system as it exits overnight tonight into early Friday. However, this chance is very, very small, and it'll be very brief. So if you do see any flakes mix in, just know that no accumulation is expected and no impacts are expected either. Once we get this system out of our hair, we're in for a treat. Looks like a dry, pleasant weekend is on tap, and it looks like that's even going to extend into the early portion of next week. We'll see moderating temps throughout this period. By Sunday, seeing high temperatures ranging from the lower 60s north to around 70 across central Georgia, as high pressure remains in control. Just as a heads up, it looks like a rather strong storm system will be developing across the southern plains and northern Mexico by the middle portion of next week. This will likely be our next rainmaker, but it doesn't look like the rain chances are going to ramp up until very late next week or possibly even next weekend. Obviously, it's way too early to determine any rainfall amounts or severe potential with this system. Just want to kind of give you an idea of when to expect rain after today's system moves through. For those interested, the Climate Prediction Center has issued its March outlook. It looks like there's a good chance that the area will see above normal temperatures. Likewise, looks like we'll also see above normal rainfall. Now, El Niño is weakening, and we are expected to transition into more of a neutral phase by this summer. But we are still expecting above normal rainfall throughout the spring. And with that being said, our spring hydrologic outlook has been issued as of this morning, so you can go to our webpage and view that product in more detail if you're interested. In summary, expecting rain chances to increase from west to east today. Mainly showers are expected. A rumble of thunder or two is possible, especially across central Georgia. Rainfall totals will remain under 1 inch, so we're not expecting any flooding issues. There's a very small chance that some snowflakes may mix in with some light rain across the mountains on the backside of the system overnight tonight. No impacts are expected. We're in for a dry and pleasant weekend with moderating temperatures, so if you have outdoor plans, please get outside. Pleasant weather should continue into the early portion of next week. A storm system looks likely to develop across the southern plains by the middle of next week, possibly bringing rain to the area late next week or into the weekend.